Hi, good evening, all of you. How are you? I hope now the corona is going, it's fading, so you all must be back to normal. And this is my, I think, third or fourth live and second live on anxiety, where we'll be talking about lot about anxiety. We'll be sharing our thoughts. We have a special guest, uh, Chavi Agarwal. She is just a teenager into her 19s, and she is wonderful human being. As I have written already, she has a golden heart, and she is doing. She'll tell you what she is doing in college. She's in the third year, but very polite and humble person. And there are few facts that nobody knows about her that I'll be sharing with you, so that you can connect with her and talk to her. So, Chavi, hi. We will be actually starting the live in next 5 minutes.
Okay.
So,
Hello, ma'am. Hello, everyone.
hi. So,
I'm
I
Chavi.
just want you to tell about yourself. What's your name? What you do? Why you are here?
Okay. Okay. Hello, everyone. I'm Chavi Agarwal. I'm 19 years old and I am in third year right now. I'm studying geography and history as my bachelor's degree. And I am very considerate for animals. So I like to do all the welfare work and I like to work for society. And that's it.
Okay. Chavi, how come you are on the show Anxiety?
Hmm. So, Preeti ma'am, I'll tell you, I used to have anxiety, a lot of anxiety attacks, panic attacks. I've suffered the panic attacks in front of a lot of people, and I've overcome those things slowly. And I know that talking about anxiety is something really important. We should do it often, but we do not talk about it still. So, that's why I'm here to talk about it and let people know that it's normal.
Okay. Hey guys, if you have not joined our live, this will be very interactive session and a meaningful one. So I request everybody who have already, are with us, please come and join this wonderful session with Chavi Agarwal so that you know about anxiety, because trust me guys, people don't come forward and talk about this topic openly. And hats off to you, Chavi, for coming up, coming forward, and talking about it so openly. Because I think this is not a disease, but people think कि एक बीमारी है,
Yes,
especially
very
our
true.
teens, especially our teens. So,
Very true.
Chavi, this live we will be. It's only 1 minute. We will be then starting with, in fact, showering a lot of questions on you. We'll be having rapid fire with you, and I hope this will help many. And I hope in my next session many will come forward and say ki I want to come on your live, because it's all about you as a community, where we will be definitely tapping up those topics which nobody is touching. Okay, like it can be menopause, it can be your depression, it can be anxiety, it can be pandemic stress, and lot more in our kitty. So
Oh,
let's welcome Chavi Agarwal, who is just a third year student, 19 year by age, and a girl with a golden heart, who has lots of love for the small babies. It can be dog, it can be cat, animals, street dogs, and she is also a very active worker with Greenpeace. She is definitely working for greenery, and I can say that because she doesn't allow anyone to throw any garbage on road. And if she sees someone doing that, she tells them, please pick it up. She has that much confidence. So let's welcome Chavi Agarwal. Chavi, over to you. I want to know, you have said that you have been facing this panic attacks, anxiety. So at that point of time, what was your age?
I think I was in eighth class or ninth class. I must be around 14 or 13. I used to be alone, left alone. And there used to be a girl gang in my class. and I would be always alone. So I started getting anxious right from that age. And I used to be very lonely and very socially isolated type of a person. So then I realized that I'm being really socially awkward, and I used to have social anxiety. So I kind of just observed myself, observed my behavior, and then I worked on it.
Was it your fault?
Sorry, can you come again?
Was it your fault? You were at fault?
No, I cannot really say that no one was at fault here, because it was kind of just life situations which I learned somehow to get through them.
Chavi, when we talk about the age that you were in when you were facing all this, we
Yeah.
actually don't understand our kids at that point of time. As a mother, if my 13-year-old, 14-year-old kid मेरे पास आकर मुझे बोलेगा कि ऐसे हो रहा है मुझको कुछ, I will not take it seriously at all.
Mm-hmm.
How did you cope up? We want to know, how your parents thought about it, whether you have spoken to them or not, whether you were just, pushing yourself hard, I will deal with it. What was that? Just explain.
So I'll tell you. I do not have much memory from that time, because I used to be all alone and I used to do nothing, literally nothing. I would not share anything with anyone, with my friends or with my parents. I used to have trust issues with my friends, um, because I was always socially isolated person. So I kind of just worked on myself when I was in 11th or 12th class, after like 4 years, when I just observed myself. And Google and social media helped me through it to know what's happening with me and what can I do to improve myself. I did not really share anything with my parents or friends,
Yeah, this is
because
what kids do. This is what kids do.
because tab I was actually kind of figuring out कि मेरे साथ हो क्या रहा है.
और हो क्या रहा था आपके साथ? What you were annoyed, you were not liking anyone, you don't want to talk to anyone. What was the symptom?
No, I used to like people, but I would always be alone, and I used to have negative thoughts. I used to overthink all the time. I used to have anxiety. I would not be able to interact with people.
We are talking about anxiety, but what is this anxiety? How do we know? And do we all have, or this is something, a special feature that only some people can get this thing, or we
No,
all can get that?
anxiety is really normal. So there are a lot of levels to anxiety. So anxiety is basically a feeling when you feel worried or nervous or anxious or feeling kind of empty for no reason. You are worried for no reason.
Okay,
So that's anxiety.
that's anxiety.
Yeah.
Okay, so exam से पहले जो हम लोग pressure face करते हैं, is it a part of anxiety?
Yeah. And it's
Huh?
really normal.
Normal. Okay.
Yeah.
I still remember, I don't know how many of you will agree with me. You can just type in the chat box, yes, that you resonate with me. I still remember before my any exam, I used to rush to the washroom or I used to drink a lot of water. Matlab, was it an anxiety? Because I thought that's a normal part. But people used to
Yeah.
laugh at me at that point of time. Exam शुरू होने वाला है, फटाफट washroom होकर आ. They
You know,
used to.
Preeti ma'am, I'll tell you, when I used to read, जब teacher बोलती थी, Chavi, stand up and read a paragraph, I used to read the paragraph a lot of times before it was my turn. And still, जब teacher बोलती थी, मैं खड़ी होती थी पढ़ने के लिए, and I used to shiver. I used to shiver a lot, and मुझसे पढ़ा नहीं जाता था. एक line भी complete नहीं होती थी मुझसे. And मेरे को तब panic attack होता था.
तो आई थिंक ये तो हम लोग सब बचपन से फेस कर रहे हैं यार. फिर व्हाई वी आर
Yes.
मेकिंग इट सो बड़ा हवा कि एंजाइटी है भाई साहब, एंजाइटी हो रही है इसको, ये पैनिक अटैक कर रहे हैं, लेट्स गो एंड विजिट अ डॉक्टर. डू यू थिंक डॉक्टर कैन हेल्प मी इन दिस?
Yes. help is important. अगर आप उससे cope up नहीं कर पा रहे हो, तो you should definitely seek for help.
Acha, who is going to help me out? A psychiatrist or a psychologist?
See, if you are not able to cope up yourself, so consult a psychologist. A psychologist will get into your mind. They will basically run through your thinking process, and they will try to know what you are thinking and how your thinking process is, and they will tell you what to do. And if a psychologist fails, then you should seek for a help from psychiatrist.
Okay. So tell me one thing, Chavi, because I don't think now, after talking to you so much, I think anxiety normal है. Anxiety कोई बहुत बड़ी चीज नहीं, it's a normal thing.
Yes, yes.
So जब मुझे स्कूल में ये सब होता था, तो that was a normal thing. I was not able to, मतलब people used to laugh at me because many were not going at that point of time to washroom and then writing their paper. But I felt that while after having a glass of water or running to a washroom, that helps me. I could recreate everything in my mind and I can write fast. That was my style. So now I knew that was an anxiety because at our time, somewhere in 1998, that was anxiety was no term that people were using it. आज हम
Yeah.
सुन रहे हैं. आज we are actually sometimes some many students, many teenagers, they are ashamed when they talk about anxiety. They think, no, we can't go in public and talk that we have anxiety. And some take it as a, what can I say, attention seekers.
Yeah.
So how do you know that the person is really in help, really need our help, or it's just a phase?
See, so teenagers nowadays, they overanalyze everything. They just keep in their mind that everyone's judging them all the time, which is kind of true. Because आजकल सब लोग एक दूसरे को बहुत जज करते हैं, be it on social media, be it on real life. So we cannot really differentiate कि कौन attention के लिए बोल रहा है या फिर किसको really ऐसी problem हो रही है. But yes, talking about anxiety could really help, and जिसको भी problem हो उसको बोलना चाहिए.
Is it related to lifestyle? Anxiety somewhat related to lifestyle?
Yes, kind of, because अगर you have a lot of free time, you will eventually overthink. अगर आप overthink करते रहोगे, आपको anxiety होती रहेगी and आप चीजों के बारे में फिक्र करते रहोगे. And if you do not have a lot of free time, for example, if you go for exercises or you go for running or you involve yourself into something really productive, आपके पास कम टाइम बचेगा ये फालतू का, तो आप ओवर थिंकिंग कम कर सकते हो एंड उससे एंजाइटी कम हो सकती है.
Chavi, one very interesting question. But before that, I want to tell everyone that on 28th of August, there will be again a session on anxiety where I'll be coming live with you along with Chavi again. And the topic is Ask Me Anything. So whatever questions that is coming to your mind, that is hampering your mind, that is, actually, telling you that, you are not in a good mood, then the best is ki you can actually talk about it. There is a Google form. I request everyone to come forward and fill that Google form and ask your questions. If you don't want to write your name, don't write. We can answer your queries then and there itself. If you want to come forward live with us, there will be a link. Click on that link, come live with us, join our live, and you can ping all the questions in your Facebook live. We will be answering them one on one. So please come forward and talk about it. Because Chavi, why I'm telling every time this thing that talk about it, because people, especially the kids, especially the teenagers, they don't want to come forward and talk about it. I don't know what is stopping them. I don't know what is,
It's
whether
the
it's
fear
their
of
parents,
being judged.
but judge is, that's okay. That's okay. But is the role of parents also who are stopping them? You don't go in public and talk about your anxiety.
No, no.
No? Are you sure? Are you sure about it? Are there any parents, whom I can talk about? मुझे ऐसा कुछ प्रॉब्लम हो रहा है, जैसे अच्छा चुप हो जाए, ऐसा कुछ नहीं होता. Do parents do that? Do you know anybody, any friends? I understand, your parents might not be picky. That's why you're coming openly and talking about this topic, so openly. Okay, people should listen to you.
Mm-hmm.
But if I take my example, if in my teenager time I was facing this issues, though I couldn't know, I couldn't realize that I had this problem, or I am, right now also before any important event, I get excited. Yeah. So at that point of time, if I would have gone to my parents, definitely they would have told me, "क्या बोल रहे हो यार? ऐसे थोड़ा ना होता है." Do you agree that time is changing now, and especially parents should talk about anxiety to their kids?
Yes, definitely. People are getting aware about the issues, the social issues or mental problems, and people nowadays are really focusing on mental health, which is really nice and which is really important. So talking about anxiety, it wasn't a thing back in the time. So nowadays, I think people can talk about it openly. Even I can talk about any social issue or mental health problem with my parents.
Okay, now very important thing which I face regularly. Once it's Sunday, sitting in a very relaxed mood, enjoying my me time, listening to music. Suddenly, whenever I think of Monday, I get Monday blues. Oh my God, कल Monday है, ये नहीं हुआ, ये नहीं हुआ, ये नहीं हुआ. I feel, वो anxiety और वो panic attack तुरंत पड़ जाता है. Why?
Mm-hmm.
Why?
Okay, so Monday blues usually it happens because of overthinking and pressurizing yourself, putting the pressure on yourself कि इतना काम होगा, आज मैं relax कर रहा हूँ या कर रही हूँ, and इतना काम मेरे को और करना पड़ेगा. So Monday blues basically happens because of overthinking and over analyzing everything, which is again because of excess of time you have with yourself.
Okay. So how to overcome it? How to have a peaceful Sunday?
Okay, so overcoming anxiety can be like you can involve yourself in exercises or something really productive, which can help you grow from inside, like from mentally.
Okay.
So, yeah.
Anything that you want to tell to teenagers about anxiety?
Okay, so really important thing. Anxiety can lead to depression, social isolation, and substantial abuse. So, इसीलिए working on yourself at a really early time is really important. तो overcoming anxiety या फिर कुछ भी अगर difficulty face कर रहे हो, just Google it, and इतने सारे लोग होते हैं आजकल online help करने के लिए. तो reach out to them and reach out to your friends, to your parents, family members, किसी के साथ भी आपका कोई भी comfortable सा bond हो, उनको आप reach out करें and उनसे बातचीत करें, because बातचीत करने से obviously solution निकलेगा. It's not contagious, obviously. तो उससे reduce होगी anxiety.
Okay, but Chavi, again, one thing more. You said we
Okay.
need to talk to our closed ones. We need to talk to our friends. We need to definitely seek for help. And one thing you said, people are judging us. That judging thing is here. How to get rid of it? Definitely, if I talk to you about anxiety, if I talk to somebody close to me about anxiety, they will judge me. They will tell me, oh, इसको ये disorder है, इसको ये problem है. How to overcome that? Because
Yes.
they
So
will
for
not tell on my face that they, but at the back, they will talk about it.
very true.
How to,
For that, I worked on myself first. I just told myself that whatever we do, people keep judging. You might have heard about that song, "लोगों का काम है कहना, कुछ तो लोग कहेंगे." So yeah, that's a really important thing in my life. So yeah, I used to think about it. I worked on myself, and then I opened up because I felt secure about the things I was sharing with people. कि कोई बात नहीं है, जज करेंगे तो कोई बात नहीं, दिस इज नॉर्मल, दिस इज हैपनिंग विद मी एंड एवरीवन नोज दैट.
You have said it so beautifully. I hope people who are listening to you, I hope who will be seeing our video, guys, it's time, it's high time. You need to come forward and talk about these things openly. I don't want anybody to keep things inside. That's why we have this community. It's all about you, where you can come openly and share your thoughts because there nobody is judging you. I am not judging you. Neither my team is judging you. So you can come, you can talk there. We have an Instagram account. You can write freely there. And definitely, if you think that you have no one to talk to, we are there to listen to you. And as Chavi very rightly said, लोगों का काम है कहना. So please don't think, start loving yourself and trust me, this judgment thing will go off. Chavi, what do you
Yes.
say? What do you want to say to the parents? How they have to help the kids?
Okay, so giving them time, giving them attention, and proper time, basically spending at least 2 hours together, the whole family. It is really important. And अगर आप time spend करोगे तो अपने आप ही you will talk. And अगर बातचीत normally करोगे तो you won't have the hesitation कि मैं ये बात करूं या फिर नहीं करूं अपने parents के साथ.
Okay. Now, one thing from my personal experience, because I have a kid who is 17, I have a kid who is 10. Okay. They might not have this anxiety issue. They might. They definitely, but I know as a mother they have. But when I get excited or I get this anxiety thing or panic attacks in front of them, how they will come as a parent, what support kids should give to the parents, because this is a common platform. This is not for teenagers. This is for everyone, be it 40, be it 50, be it 60, or be it 10. So we are catering all the age groups. So as a mother, अगर मुझे anxiety होती है तो मेरे बच्चे को मेरे साथ कैसे cope up करना चाहिए? Because I don't know. I am in my own stream and I have these anxiety things. So how my kid should behave?
See, basically, me being a teenager, तो मैं यही कहूंगी कि you cannot really expect your kids to understand what's happening to you at such a early age, because वो भी बहुत चीजों के साथ डील कर रहे हैं. If you have a kid who's 10, तो उसके दिमाग में भी बहुत सारी चीजें चल रही होंगी. He would want to explore things, and your kid who's 17, you know how it is with teenagers. वो तो काफी कुछ चीजों के साथ डील करते हैं. So uh, I would tell you कि just do not expect them to do something from their own. आगे से वो कुछ ना करें तो just it's normal. But yeah, they should really be supportive.
Like as parents, we are supportive to them. When they need us, they should be supportive to us, right?
Yes.
Okay. Now, Chavi, suppose I get this anxiety problem and I don't want to show it to my kids because, as you said, they are also dealing with a number of things.
Mhm.
What is the best remedy I need to do when I feel that I have this anxiety issues today?
Okay, so like I said, अगर खाली दिमाग है आपका, अगर बहुत खाली टाइम है आपके पास, तो एंजाइटी होने के चांसेस ज्यादा हैं. बट इफ यू फोकस ऑन योरसेल्फ, इफ यू मेडिटेट, इफ यू एक्सरसाइज, इफ यू वर्क ऑन योरसेल्फ और बी प्रोडक्टिव, तो एंजाइटी, you can overcome anxiety.
Okay. And what if your friends don't listen to you?
Sorry, come again?
You said we need to talk to somebody when we have this anxiety problem and all.
Yes.
What if your friends say, no, we are not interested, whatever you're saying? What we need to do? Should we come down and listen to some music? Should we go out for a walk? Or should we just keep ourselves calm, or we should cry aloud? What we need to do?
It's totally up to you, because different people, different personalities, everyone has different basically अलग अलग ways होते हैं overcome करने के लिए. And I think जो भी आपको सूट करे, Music sunna if it calms you down, if going for long walks calms you down, या फिर crying out loud, so you should definitely do it, whatever helps you.
Okay. And how long this anxiety is? How long in the sense this is for an hour, this is for 10 minutes, this is for 5 minutes, or this is for 4-5
It's
months?
not fixed. It's totally
Oh,
up to the person or the situation or the thinking process the person has. क्योंकि जितना ज्यादा बंदा उसके बारे में सोचता रहेगा, फॉर एग्जाम्पल अगर मेरा एग्जाम कल है तो मैं आज से अगर टेंशन लेती रहूंगी तो एंग्जाइटी तो एक दिन लास्ट करेगी. अगर आपकी कोई मीटिंग है उसके लिए आप 3 दिन से टेंस्ड हो तो एंग्जाइटी हो सकता है 3 दिन तक चले.
okay. So let
So
it
it
go is
depends
the
on the
best thing.
situation.
So I think one should let it go.
Yes, definitely.
Okay. So Chavi, it was great talking to you. Now, what is that one tip you want to give it to everyone? What is that one thing you want to tell us? Just share
Okay.
your tip.
Okay, so I would only say stop overthinking, because I have wasted a lot of time of mine overthinking and over analyzing a lot of stuff which wasn't even necessary.
Okay.
So creating situations, overthinking, having a lot of free time, उसने काफी ज्यादा मेरी एंजाइटी को पुश किया था. But now, when I worked on myself, did exercises, or I have started to listening music, and it has really helped me. So I would really say stop overthinking and over analyzing stuff, and just live freely.
I go out and do a lot of shopping when I have this anxiety issue or I get some panic attacks. I spend a lot of money. Is it a good thing or a bad?
It's definitely a good thing because you're doing something to cope up with it.
Great,
अगर आप कुछ ना करो तो that is bad.
great. Chavi, there are a lot many people who want to ask you some things. So this will be a rapid fire. So you
Okay.
have to be very fast.
Okay.
First is from, I don't know whether I need to take their name or not. I am keeping them under the wraps. I'm not taking the names, but definitely. One person is asking, I believe parents don't let us come forward because they think it's a disease and it won't be right to talk about in public. What's your opinion on
Yes.
that, Chavi?
Yes, definitely. A lot of people grow up in different thinking process, in different environments. तो कुछ लोगों के लिए जो चीज टैबू है कुछ के लिए नहीं है. Same with like menstruation. For example, I can talk about it freely in my family,
Yeah.
but I have a lot of friends जो नहीं बात कर पाते हैं उसके बारे में अपने family में. So it depends on the thinking process and how open the people are to talk about and how aware they are on social issues.
So for this, I would suggest all the parents to spend at least half an hour with their kids, with their teenagers, and talk about it because this is not a disease at all. They should come and talk in public. This is one thing that we all are facing. अगर
Yes.
मेल्स होंगे तो मेल्स को अलग एंजाइटी इश्यूज होंगे फॉर देयर जॉब्स फॉर देयर टारगेट्स. फीमेल्स को होंगे अपने करियर, अपने जॉब, अपना घर, अपनी काफी सारी चीजों के बारे में. And boss, when we talk about kids or teenagers, trust me, they have more anxiety issues rather than us who are in their mid 30s or 50s or 40s because they are actually dealing with too much right now. Too much.
Very
Our
true.
pressure, their peer pressure, and the society pressure. So let's come
Yes.
forward and talk about it. This is nothing. As she said very rightly, we should talk it openly because this is not a disease at all. Okay. One person is asking to whom to consult if I'm facing a lot of anger, anxiety issues. First step. First step is talk to anyone. Chavi, what's your opinion on that? I feel one should go and talk to anyone the person is
Yeah,
comfortable with.
definitely. Anyone, even a friend can help. Even if you're really close to your family members, कुछ भी discuss कर सकते हो उनके साथ. So you should talk it through with your family members. And अगर काफी high level पर है anger issue, तो definitely consult to a psychologist. They will help.
Or if you don't want to go to a doctor and you think that why I'm not ill, then please come to our platform. It's all about you. We will be there to listen you. or you can directly connect with Chavi. She will be there to help you out, or you can connect with me, Preeti. You have all the details with you, but talk, because talking will help, nothing else will help, or keep yourself busy. As this young girl has said very clearly, this teenager who has come forward, and I, from the bottom of my heart, I want to say thank you to her parents, not to her, who have let her go and talk about this, because this is what is stopping us. Next, if someone don't understand anxiety problems at home, then this is the answer. Come to me, talk to us. We are there to help you out, or you can talk to Savi for that matter, or come on our show that is coming on 28. Ask your problems, talk about it. Okay, is depression and anxiety the same thing? Shavi, over to you.
No, no, no. Depression is a really serious matter, and anxiety is really common. Anxiety can lead to depression अगर anxiety पर आपने work नहीं किया तो. Depression is a really different thing. It is a really negative state, and उसमें से निकलना फिर काफी difficult हो सकता है. But anxiety is curable easily.
Okay, see, I want to add something here. Depression is altogether a next or a final step if your anxiety is not dealt properly. So, if talking can help, if shopping can help, if dancing can help, if music can help, go forward and get overcome this issue, because right now, in after this pandemic, we all have this anxiety problem. Again, I'm
Yes.
telling you, it's not a disease, it's just a common thing. One person is asking, Chavi, there are so many questions. I'm sorry, but this is a rapid fire. We
No
need to
worries.
answer no matter what.
Yes, yes.
Does anxiety affect our confidence?
Yes, definitely it does. Because अगर मैं अपना example रखूं, when I used to have anxiety in 8th class or 7th class, I was very inconfident, and I wouldn't really stand up for myself. I won't speak up in class. I won't talk to people because मुझ में confidence ही नहीं होता था. I was very socially anxious person. मेरे को किसी से बात भी करनी होती थी. Even if I used to have a conversation with someone, I used to get really anxious because I wasn't confident.
Wow. Actually, Chavi, one very personal question, though I'm asking you, because this
Okay.
is just a thought in my mind. Right now, the scenario is uh, there are actually triangle happening. This is for the teenagers only. Two friends and one male friend, and one likes, one doesn't like. This happens. And sometimes in anxiety, we say so many things to that friend who is very valuable. And once this anxiety period is over, we realize the person is gone because we have spoken so much. Do you think this is happening now? Do you think that this happens?
It definitely happens because you speak up in front of people you feel comfortable with. तो जिसके साथ भी आप कंफर्टेबल फील करोगे, अगर उसको आप अपनी मन की बात बताओगे, तो इट कैन गेट रफ अ लॉट ऑफ टाइम्स, बट यू हैव टू कंट्रोल योर इमोशंस. अगर आप शेयर कर रहे हो कुछ चीज, तो आप नॉर्मली शेयर करो ताकि सामने वाले को भी हर्ट ना हो. बिकॉज यू शुड नो दैट यू आर हर्टिंग. इट डजंट मीन कि आप सामने वाले को भी हर्ट करो.
Great. One last question. I feel overthinking leads to anxiety. Very true. I agree with you. What do you think? I think you have already addressed this, that yes,
Yes,
overthinking. And this is the reason for our Monday blues also. So,
yes.
and how to, because this is a question, so you need to answer it. How to get rid of this overthinking? What is the best way to get rid of overthinking?
Like I said, keeping yourself busy, productive, doing productive things like exercising, working on yourself, or setting up targets. Ki, kuch bhi. For example, I need to get fit, I need to get flexible, or anything. It will help.
Okay, great. So, guys, this was really an interactive session. I want more people to join in, more people to discuss, more people to come forward and tell me, ki, yes, Preeti, I want to be on your show. That is O Zindagi. This is a talk show for everyone. I want more people, more students, more females, and more males to come forward and talk about it, because we will be addressing those issues that nobody is touching, that people feel shy to talk about, that people feel not confident to talk about. Chavi, thank you so much for coming over the show and talking
Thank you,
about
Preeti Auntie, for having.
anxiety, for this anxiety, because I wanted your age group, our age group, and the younger ones to know that anxiety is not a disease. It's just
Yes, definitely.
here, and we
Yeah.
can overcome it. So, Chavi, what is the tagline that you want to tell us before we end this show?
Stop overthinking and start focusing on yourself.
Wow, that's a beautiful thought. And as I always say, everything comes to every good things come to an end, and we will be ending this show. But one thing you all need to do is love yourself and stop judging, because judging won't help, but loving makes a difference. With
Yes,
this,
very.
yes, with this, I end this conversation. Thank you all for coming live, seeing our program, watching our show, and giving us motivation to come forward and talk about these type of social issues. Thank you so much. Chavi, thank you so much for coming forward, beta, and
Thank
talking
you
about
for
it.
having me. It was lovely being here.
Bye bye and take
Bye.
care.